friends, welcome back to my channel Rosie Craptube. Click on the subscribe button to watch more such videos. It's free and would mean a lot to me. Also press on the bell icon to stay notified when I upload a new video. I upload new videos on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Here I am taking some designer papers of size 10 cm into 12 cm and 3 clear sheets of same size. Let's make a shaker card. For this you will need foam tape and apply like this. Then add some sequins and clear sheet. Now take other pages of the clipper and some photos and stickers. All the pages are ready. Organize the pages using scrapbook ring. Hope you like it and will make it. If you do, then don't forget to send me the picture of your crafts in my DMs of Instagram. Thank you guys. Click on the like button if you really enjoyed the tutorial. If you have any suggestions or requests, please let me know on the comment section below. Do follow me on Instagram and Facebook. You can order our crafts, and for contact details, please do check the description box below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.